adab and very good morning to all the distinguished guests. I extend a warm welcome to all the distinguished guests, officers, and my colleagues, friends present here. First of all, I will request Ms. Dr. Seema Nawaz to please come and have a few words. Kindly.
Guests from the Department of Accountant General Jammu and Kashmir, DDOs and Treasury officers and other dignitaries and people who are in this auditorium. Assalamu alaikum, good morning and a warm welcome to all of you. This college has just facilitated this program, which I think will benefit many of the stakeholders because we are all working as a unit and all the departments are integrated with each other and we require the support of each other. So today's interaction is going to be a very meaningful interaction for all the DDOs and the Treasury officers, and we are very happy that this institution has provided the institutional support to this department for organizing this program. I once again, as the principal of the host college, welcome you all, and I am sure that each one of us will have a takeaway from this interaction that will be here today. We have learned people who will be talking about things and which will help us to understand the different problems that we face as DTOs, and also the Treasury officers will understand the things better. I am sure such programs, such awareness programs are very meaningful as they help facilitate us to do things more efficiently and more effectively and more transparently. So, warm welcome to each one of
number of transactions and huge number of transactions in the finance and money requirements in the delivery of our services. We are often dependent on the manual rendering of transactions. We encounter inaccuracy in our accounts. There are delayed reconciliations, and overall we face these bottlenecks. But here we have digitization as the game changer. If we have to ensure accurate accounting, robust reconciliation mechanisms, and faster delivery of services, we have to be on the path of digitization. We are honored that the worthy guests are here with us, and I heartily welcome every participating officers and especially officers of the AG office who are technical experts guiding us in this digital journey. Their dedication, their expertise, their efficiency, and above all, their willingness to work collaboratively continues to improve our digital administration. I am confident that this training program, this training session will bring about more robust mechanisms in accuracy of accounts, in reconciliation mechanisms, and faster adoption of IT interventions. Let us make the best use of this program, and when we join back our workplaces, it should be with fresh energies and clear action points. Thank you all.
Officials of the UT government who are present there and all the esteemed guests. In the introduction address, my colleague has emphasized the role of the DDOs and Treasury officers and the relationship of the DDOs and TOs with the AG office and how they maintain the financial propriety. So in continuation to that, I will discuss some of the accounting issues which are of relevance and how they can be mitigated if the reconciliation is done timely. So basically, the objective is to make you aware about the accounting related issues with the aim of reducing fundamental errors in accounts, ensuring timely submission of red accounts UCs, and transparency in depiction of payments received by booking under proper classification.
Right delivery reduce risk of non-compliance, due to missing or damaged physical record. It empowers decentralization teams to work on shared basis, pension verification without physical file movement. ठीक है, क्योंकि एक ही टाइम पे मल्टीपल लोग या मल्टीपल यूजर एक सिंगल रिकॉर्ड को एक्सेस कर सकते हैं। डिजिटल फाइल के केस में क्या है, एक ही बंदा उस पर एक बार में काम कर सकता है, सो एक तरह से मल्टीटास्किंग कह सकते हैं इसको। Then scanned orders can be indexed and linked to relevant service records. Digital formats allow tagging, annotation, and version control for security. Structured digital data ensure consistency and traceability. Faster resolution of pay and pension issues with trust and moral. Service matters में खासकर ये ज़्यादा होता है क्योंकि जो बाकी कॉरेस्पॉन्डेंस या अदर चीजें उनमें इतना चलो नहीं है, 2 महीने का काम 3 में भी चलेगा, बट जो सर्विस डिलीवरी मैटर्स हैं उसमें आप वेट नहीं कर सकते कि आपको मनी रिक्वायरमेंट अगर है या
ड्यूरेशन है पेंशन सबमिट करने के लिए और पेंशन ऑथराइजिंग अथॉरिटी के लिए कितना टाइम ड्यूरेशन है उसको ऑथराइज करने के लिए। थैंक यू
सर फॉर ऑथराइजेशन ऑफ पेंशन केस, बट वी आर ट्रस्टिंग 15 to 20 within 15 to 20 days we will settle the pension case after receipt. We will maximum achieving this target to 20 days, at least 25 within 25 working days 30 आपको मिल जाए ऑनलाइन, क्योंकि पुलिस के केसेस ऑफलाइन, पुलिस के केसेस ऑफलाइन मीटिंग हुई थी, तो क्योंकि होम डिपार्टमेंट चला गया है अंडर ये सॉरी पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट अंडर होम मिनिस्ट्री है, so their pension cases are receiving by our office manually as decided in meeting, so we are not forcing them to send online.
अगर केस को क्या करेंगे सर?
नहीं ऑफलाइन।
Good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of Office of PAG, I extend my sincere thanks to our DDO, Treasury officers, pension sanctioning authorities, and pensioners for attending today's session on accounting, reconciliation, and digitization. Your participation, ideas, suggestions have added great value to our discussions. The cooperation shown by everyone reflects our shared commitment to improve financial management, ensuring accurate accounting, and supporting the digitization initiatives of the department as well as AG office. I also express my gratitude to our resource persons and technical teams for their clear presentations and for explaining various process-related reconciliations, pension workflows, and accurate digitizations. I thank Shri Javed Makbul Khade, Treasury Officer, Southern Treasury, for his gracious presence at this event, and my special thanks to Professor Dr. Simara, Principal Government College, Srinagar, for providing the venue to host this program. I also thanks to organizing team for their smooth coordination and all participants for their cooperation and willingness to adopt better practices. We look forward to our continued support in ensuring timely reconciliation, accurate accounting, and successful implementation of digital reforms. Thank you once again for making this session useful and meaningful. Thank you.